Welcome. Here is how to book group or corporate travel on Wakanow. What you do is open your app and log in into your app. If you do not have a corporate account, what you have to do is to sign up. So once you have opened your app, on this menu tab, click on business travels. You click on business travels and you tap into login. Once you have logged in into your page or your account, then you continue. But if not, if you don't have an account yet, you click on sign up. So once you have logged in, for example, you have your account already or you have just created a new one. Once you have logged in and you are into your dashboard, so you select whether you are booking flights, hotels or vacation packages. So then you select group or multi-passenger trip. So you enter a departure, city, destination, travel date and total number of travelers. You click search to browse available options, filter by price or schedule, and select the best offer for your team. Enter the personal and travel details for every member in your group. Make sure all names match their government issued IDs. Review your booking summary, confirm the dates and passenger details, then select your preferred corporate payment method. Complete the method to instantly confirm your group reservation. Alternatively, if you need customized corporate travel policies or tailored group discounts, scroll to the bottom of the page and email the corporate@wakanow.com or call their 24/7 corporate support line. That's all you need to do for you to book a group or corporate travel on the Wakanow app. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trip.